Next.js 15 is finally here, and if you don't want to watch a 30-minute theory video, then you can watch this one where I present you everything that you need to know in less than 2 minutes. I'm sorry for the bad camera today, for the bad quality. Next time it will be better, I promise you, but let's get started. The first thing is breaking, and it's about the async request API. It's a little bit complex here, but they say not all components depend on request-specific data, so it's unnecessary to wait for the requests to render them. What that means is like you have these headers, cookies, params, search params stuff, and this is now asynchronous. So like that you have to await it now. And this will lead to a better, faster experience for users because components can await this now. The next change is also breaking, and this is with the caching thing, because people were not happy because it was not so intuitive and not so nice. So now in Next.js, things are not cached by default, they are now uncached by default. And also page components are no longer cached by default by the client router cache, but you can adjust this by setting in the next config a stale time for that, because now it's default 0, and if you want to enable that again, you can set this to a proper value. So yeah, to be honest, there are a lot of changes coming here to us, and I think I will make a bigger video about the whole caching system, but at the moment it's still getting updated a lot because people were just not satisfied how it works. So the next change is React 19 support. So yeah, Next.js 15 is now using React 19 release candidate version. And they say our extensive testing across real-world applications and our close work with the React team have given us confidence in its stability. So what they basically say is you can use it for production now. React 19 is also improving hydration errors, which will lead to better error handling and better see which element is causing the problem, and then it gives you tips and all that stuff. So these hydration errors are not so tricky anymore. Next thing is server actions. They are more secure and faster right now, and if you want to see more about that, click the first link in the description to my YouTube video about that. Next thing is enhanced forms. Here we have this form element, which is not new, it is already older, but now it's getting updated with prefetching capabilities, a better client-side navigation and progressive enhancements. And yeah, previously you need very much code to get this working, and now you just need this form component and everything is abstracted for you and just has so many enhancements. So this is very nice and we should use this in the future. Next thing is turbodef, and oh man, that's a lot, but it's now stable and ready. And yeah, the optimization it brings with itself is crazy. We have 76% faster local server startup, 96% faster refresh, 45% faster initial route compile without caching, so many optimizations. And yeah, you can actually go on that website here where you see the current state, and then you see in production it's just 96%, but in development it's now 100%, and we can use it in development completely safe. And yeah, honestly, there's a lot. Maybe you want a video about that, shout it in the description, tell me. And there's so much more in Next.js 15. We have optimized performance for dev and for build. We have self-hosting. Lerob made a video about that, explaining how to self-host a Next.js application. We can now execute code after response with unstable after, but this is experimental, so maybe not to use in production right now. We have this instrumentation.js, so Next.js is opening itself and you can access monitor features and stuff like that. We have the static indicator in development to see if a route is actually static or not. We have the next config, which is now supporting TypeScript, so we have this next config TS and not JS or MJS like before. Then we have ESLint 9, which is now supported, and of course the code mod CLI is also updated, so you can get all these changes in a very easy way just by running the new code mod CLI. Okay, thanks for watching this small school presentation about Next.js 15. I hope you liked it. If you have any questions, down in the comments, and yeah, thank you for watching. Bye bye.